Have you ever wished for a reliable pair of eyes on the road, capturing every detail during your drives? What if you could have both front and rear protection in one compact device? Introducing the REDTIGER F7NP-Cam, your ultimate driving companion. Stick around to see how this high-performance camera can transform your driving experience. Let's dive in. Package included: one 4K cam, one GPS mount, one 1080p rear camera, one power supply cable with car charger, one rear camera cable, two electrostatic sticker, one 32GB microSD card, one user manual, one 3M adhesive, one car wire trim tool, 5 cable clips. Meeting your F7NP. GPS mount, status light, screen, up button, mode button, down button, power button, micro SD card slot, rear cam slot, Type-C USB power slot, reset button, lens. Button function: power button, menu button, up button, down button. Installation method: connect the GPS bracket to the dash cam. Then do a bench test before official installation to make sure everything is okay. First, plug in the car charger to an available charging port and plug the other end into the top of the dash cam. Select the installation location on the windshield and paste the electrostatic sticker there. Fix the dash cam at the selected position and adjust it to a desired angle. And rotate the bracket counterclockwise to secure it. Then use a crowbar to hide the remaining part of the wire in the gap between the front windshield and the roof. Hide the cable down the A-pillar to the front of the passenger seat foot pad. Now, select the installation location on the rear windshield. Then peel off the 3M glue on the rear camera and stick it. Then repeat the process to hide the cables and plug the pin of the rear camera in the front dash cam. Both cameras will provide a video feed once you turn on your car. If you are interested in picking up the REDTIGER F7NP front and rear dash cam, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Setting up your camera. Powering on. Powering off. Display functions. Playing back your media. Choose your mode. Press the M button to enter the recording playback setting. Playback: F, front camera, R, rear camera. Short press M button to see your records. When selecting a record, long press M button 3 seconds to edit your records. Customizing your F7NP. Settings. Short press to enter the settings menu. Parking mode. Fuse box panel is typically located driver's side dashboard. You could cut the head of wires and connect it to your fuse directly if fuses is small. App connection. Download the REDTIGER app from www.redtigercam.com. Press the M button to enter the menu settings. In Settings, select the Wi-Fi option and turn it on. The Wi-Fi SSID and password will appear on the screen. Open the app on your phone and tap Add Camera. it will go to your phone's settings. And open WLAN settings. Find the corresponding SSID and enter the password. Connection successful. Then you can see the real-time recording. Home screen of the REDTIGER app. Click the icon on the main interface to view video and picture files. Long press the video file and select it, then choose to download or delete. How to view maps and GPS tracks. REDTIGER Player. Through REDTIGER Player, you can transfer your recordings to a computer. Use your REDTIGER Player. Features. Featuring a 4K lens security camera, the F7N can capture all clear images, including license plates, road signs, and conditions. The built-in sensor in the lens automatically adjusts the night recording effect based on the amount of light it receives. Feel free to choose your accessories to make the dash cam most suitable for your actual needs. Keep your vehicle protected 24/7 while parking by setting up a G-sensor trigger or time-lapse mode based on your specific needs. Automatically lock the video when vibration is detected, saving it as evidence. Share your video clips on social media to let your family and friends know what's happened. The F7N securely stores GPS data on the SD card, allowing you to view the GPS path on your phone or computer. Equipped with supercapacitors, adapts to various weather conditions, ranging from snowfields to deserts. Specifications. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.